Hello, good afternoon. Hi,
Good
good afternoon.
afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. Uh, your name is
Um,
Ben Ann?
no, I am Mary Bing.
Ah, okay, Mary.
Yes.
All right, hi, Mary. Let's wait for the others. Ah, Kim is here. Hi,
Sorry,
Kim.
I don't speak English not well.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yes.
That's fine. But how about me? Can you see me and can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you
I
hear me
can.
well?
Yeah.
All right. How about Kim? Kim, can you hear me well?
Um, can
Ah,
you
okay.
speak again?
All right. Can you hear me well?
Yes, I can.
All right. How about Kim? Kim, can you hear me well, Kim? Can you see
Uh, uh,
teacher?
my name's Tui. I can hear clearly.
All right, very good. Okay, thank you. I think we have to wait a little bit for your other classmate. Okay, is it okay with you, Mary and Kim? Is it okay if we wait a little bit for your other classmate? What's the name of your other classmate? Is it? Now, let me check. Okay, let me check your other classmate.
Mr. Đỗ Thủy, Mr. Đỗ Thủy. Hình
Oh,
như là
okay.
cô Bình ơi, hình như là cô giáo viên họ hỏi là thầy có mất chú Thủy đâu rồi.
Đang vào. Chú thì vừa cho con thờ phượng đang vào.
Uh, Another classmate uh, try to come.
All right. Let's wait. Is it okay to wait a little bit? A
Yes.
little bit? All right. Okay, so while waiting, I am going to share my screen. Okay? All right. We will get to know each other today. And then let me know if teacher is talking too fast or too slow.
Hmm, Too slow.
Too slow. But can you hear me well? Can is it okay if I talk like this? Like a little bit slow? Is it
Yes,
okay?
yes, we can hear and understand.
Yes. Oh, while waiting, our lesson one is knowing each other. Okay, I will introduce myself and you will introduce yourself as well. All right? Okay, can we? Oh, I think this here already. Wait, check on my end.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. Hi. Your name is
My name is Tui.
Tui. All right. Tui and then Kim and then I forgot Ann and Chow.
Please repeat again.
Okay. Uh, my student, you are Tui, and then we have Kim, and then we have Anne. Okay, Mary. We have Mary,
Uh, uh,
right? Okay.
no problem. I using the my telephone.
Oh,
So
it's okay. Do I have a volume now? Can you hear me well? Can you
uh,
hear me?
now
Not
I don't
really.
have, I don't have.
Oh, I see, I see. How about Mary and Kim? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear very clearly. Chú
Okay, very
Thủy
good.
không nghe được giáo viên nói à?
Được mà.
Mary
Thì,
can
thì
also hear me.
I
Yes,
can hear. I
I
can
can
hear.
hear. I can.
Okay, but we cannot hear us.
I
Can
can
you?
hear. I
All
can.
right,
Yes, I
very
can.
good. All right. Okay, guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
I am
teacher.
so
Good
happy.
afternoon.
This is our first meeting, right? This is our first meet. Now, our lesson 1 is all about knowing each other. Okay. Now, knowing each other, we will introduce ourselves later on using English. Are you good with that? Using English. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's start with the first one. Let's try to learn the different greetings. Okay. Can you repeat after me? You say greetings. You say greetings.
Greetings.
Very good. Okay. The first greeting is hi or hello. Okay. If I say hi, everyone. So in Vietnamese, that is Xin Chào. Did I say it correctly? Xin Chào.
Yes.
Did I
Xin
say it
chào.
correct? Xin Chào. All right. Or
Xin
hi
chào.
or hello. Xin Chào in English. Okay. Now, second is good morning. Okay. Can you say it again? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning.
morning. Very
Good
good.
morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Okay, I will say it in Vietnamese. Chào bu sang. Did I get it right? Chào bu sang.
Chào. Chào.
Chào. Okay.
Buổi
Chào
Chào buổi sáng.
buổi sang. Okay.
sáng.
Chào buổi sang. Good morning. All
Good
right.
morning.
Okay, next. Good afternoon. Okay, can you say it? Good afternoon.
Good
Good afternoon.
afternoon.
Very
Good
good.
afternoon.
Very good. Okay, my turn. Okay, teacher Jonah's turn. Xiao Bu Chu. Did I say it correctly? Xiao Bu Chu.
Chào
Chào
buổi.
buổi
Chào
chiều.
buổi chiều. Chào buổi
Xiao Bu Chu. Okay.
chiều. Chiều. Okay. Good
All right.
afternoon.
Okay, forgive me. Okay, next. Good evening. Okay, can you say it?
Good evening.
All right.
Good
Good
evening.
evening. Okay,
Good
my turn.
evening.
Okay, evening. My turn.
Evening.
Evening. Chào buổi tối. Did I say it right? Chào buổi tối.
Buổi
Buổi tối. Okay.
buổi tối.
Chào
Yeah.
buổi tối. Sorry. Forgive me, okay? Okay, let's say it. All right? Let's say it together. The 4 greetings, okay? Hi, hello.
Hi, hello.
All right. Hi, hello.
Hi, hello.
Very
Hi,
good.
hello.
Very good. Good morning.
Good morning.
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 All right. Well done. Next, good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Very good. Next, good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Very good. All right. So those are 4 greetings. Can you say the word greetings?
Greetings.
Greetings.
All right.
Greetings.
Thank you, everyone. Now let's proceed to our next slide. Okay. So let's try. Okay. So I will be introducing myself first. Okay. So, hi, my name is Teacher Jonah. Okay. Chào bạn, tên tôi là cô Yona. Okay. Again, I repeat. One more time. Hi, my name is Teacher Jonah. Chào bạn, tên tôi là cô Yona. Okay. Now it's your turn. All right. Your turn. Okay. Who will introduce first? Okay, Mary, can you introduce yourself first using the English language? Go ahead, Mary.
Mm, yes, I can have. Hi, my name is Mary Bing.
All right. Your name is Mary Beng. Okay,
Yes.
how about Kim? Okay, you're next.
How about can you speak again?
Okay. Okay, very good, Mary. You use the English, all right, language. It's time for Kim. Kim.
Can
Okay.
Yeah,
Hi,
yeah.
my name is Kim Thủy.
Okay. Hi, Kim. And it's time for next is Tui. Tui. Okay, it's Tui. Okay, where is Tui? I can't see him.
My name is
Oh,
Steve.
Okay, can you say, hi, my name is?
Hi, my name is
my
Steve.
name?
Okay, hi. Okay, everyone, nice to meet you. I am your teacher, Teacher Jonah. Okay, now
Okay.
next is, all right, the age. Okay, I am old already. Okay,
Mm.
so hi everyone. Teacher Jonah is 34 years old. So I
Yes.
am
Oh,
34 years old. All right, let's start with Kim first. Kim, how old are you?
Kim Thủy.
I am 19 years old.
Very good. So you are 19. Okay, well done, Kim Tui. And how about Mari?
Hi, teacher Donna. I am is 38 years old.
All right, thank you, Mary. How about Tui?
I am 39 years old.
All right, very good. Okay, so teacher is 34, Tui is 39, Mary is 38, and Kim Tui is 19. Okay,
Yes.
next. All right, let's proceed next. Okay, introduce your birthday. Okay, birthday. Can you say the word birthday?
Birthday.
Birthday. Okay, this is where
Birthday.
what happens in a birthday is where you're going to celebrate, okay, with your family and friends, right? Okay, so Teacher Jonah's birthday, my
February.
birthday is
Oh,
in February 8th. Okay,
February.
February 8th. So Sinat Kwa Toela Vengai 8 Tang Tu. Did I say it correctly?
A little
All
bit.
right, a little bit. Sorry, Kim. Sorry, I'm learning. Okay, I'm learning. All right, it's your turn. Let's start with Mari.
My birthday is in February of
My birthday is in
6.
March.
Okay, February 6th.
Yes.
6. All right. Next is Kim. Kim Tui.
My birthday is in March 31.
Oh, March 31. Mari is February 6 and Kim is March 31. How about Tui?
My birthday is in July 16.
July
16.
July 16.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I will repeat. Teacher will repeat. Mari is February 6. Kim Tue is March 31. And Tue is July 16. Correct?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Next is your hobby. So hobby is so teach. Is that correct? Did I pronounce it correct? So teach. So teach wa toila doksak. Correct? My hobby is reading. Okay, wait. I have my favorite book. Okay, so my hobby is reading. All right? So I read. Okay, how about you guys? What is your hobby? Hobby. This is something that you do. For example, reading or writing or singing perhaps or jogging. Okay, anything. All right? Any hobby. Okay? So you know what is
Okay.
hobby already? Okay, let's start with Kim. Okay, Kim, what is
My okay. My hobby is watching television.
very good? Oh, you're watching television. What is your favorite show or favorite movie?
I have a lot of favorite movie. The type of movie I like is detective.
Mm-hmm. Detective. Can you give me one name of movie?
Sherlock Holmes BBC is my favorite show.
Favorite. Okay, I will watch that also. All right. How about Mary? What is your favorite hobby?
My hobby is reading Bibles and cooking and um, and gặp gỡ bạn bè là cái gì thì nhỉ?
Hang out with
Hang
friends.
out with friends. Yes.
Okay. So reading the Bible. Oh, I also read the Bible. What is your favorite verse? Bible verse. Mary.
Bible verse là sách gì sách gì đúng không Thủy?
Hình như thế ạ.
Uh, I like Thi Thiên thì cái gì nhỉ? I don't know gọi là tên tôi không biết tên sách bằng tiếng Anh. Thi Thiên,
It's
Thi
okay.
Thiên.
This book in the Bible is a poem of David and Solomon to God.
Oh, it's Psalms. Psalms. Is
Thi
it
Thi
Psalms?
Thi Thiên. Thi Thiên
Is it
wait for
Psalms?
me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Psalms.
Psalms.
Yes.
Psalms.
Psalms. All right. Okay, we have that's my favorite too. My favorite book in the Bible. So we are the same. Okay, how about Bin An? How about Twe? What's your
My
hobby?
hobby is uh, take care of the children.
Come again? Can you say it again?
Take care of the children.
Oh, okay. Can you give me another, like a sample?
Uh, Teaching the children learning about net about the net risk.
Okay. So we have our hobby, right? So
Yes.
Mary's hobby is reading and hang out with friends, while Kim loves to watch movie that is all about detectives. All right? And also Twe loves also to do things around. Okay, so that is our hobby. Now next is our favorite color. Oh, my favorite
Oh,
color is color. Okay,
Yes.
can you say it? Color.
Green.
Color.
my
Red.
my favorite color is red.
Red.
Okay, red. All right, how about Mary? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is
Favorite
yellow.
Yellow. Okay,
favorite.
Yes.
Kim is yellow. Mary, no, Mary is yellow, Kim is red. How
Yeah.
about Swe? Bin An?
Jasmine,
Quý vị ơi,
Yeah. It's you. What is your favorite color?
my favorite color is orange.
Orange. Okay. So,
I don't have one color.
all right. Okay. So, yellow, orange, and red. Okay. So, yellow, orange, and red. Very good. Okay. Now, since your favorite color is yellow, orange, and red, think of, I want you to think objects. Objects with your favorite color. Okay, think
oh,
objects with favorite color.
I
Okay,
understand.
let
my
Object. Chủ đề
okay,
yêu thích
Kim,
á.
no,
Kim, go ahead.
object là đồ vật ý.
À.
Yeah. Object with your favorite color. Go ahead.
My the object have my favorite color is flag.
Okay.
My country flag, Vietnam flag.
Oh, Vietnam flag. Very good because it has red.
Tức là đồ vật
Alright.
yêu thích à Thế? Đồ vật yêu thích
Không,
à?
đồ vật có cái màu sắc mà mình yêu thích.
Ừ.
Okay, let's start. Kim has the Vietnam flag, and then Mary, what is the object with your favorite color?
My clothes. My clothes. Tức là quần áo
Color.
của tôi.
Color yellow.
Clothes.
Clothes.
Her clothes.
Yeah,
Have
clothes.
My
Color
clothes.
yellow. All right. How about Bin An?
My favorite color is because my favorite color is orange. So on the object favorite color is orange.
All right. Okay. Well done, everyone. So I got your birthday. I got your favorite color. I got your hobbies. All right. So me, teacher's favorite color is black. Black and white. Okay. I love the color white. Okay. And then my hobby also is reading. All right. So we are good, everyone. Okay. Now, so thank you. We already get to know each other. Okay. Now, are you ready for our lesson? Ready for our lesson?
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Now, our lesson is the slides do not have yet the translation, but this is part of the assessment. Okay. So I will stop sharing first, and then I will share one more. Okay? Am I talking too fast? Am I talking too fast? Yeah?
Yes, a little bit fast.
Sorry. Okay, I will try to make it a little bit slow. Okay? I will talk slow. All right? Okay. Now, our next lesson is okay.
Next lesson.
Okay. Lesson, welcome to English class with teacher Jonah. All right. So next, our class rules. Okay, so our class rules is sit down. Of course, we are sitting
Yeah,
down.
we are sit down.
Sit down. Okay. Have fun. Can you read have fun? Have fun.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Smile.
Smile.
I want you to smile, okay? While we are having class. And no books. Okay? No books. All right. So, what is your favorite day of the week. What is
Week.
your favorite day of the week? Let's say Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week is Sunday because in Sunday I can play. I don't need to go to do job.
Okay, me too. We are the same. We are the same. My favorite is Sunday. How about Mari? What is your favorite
My
day?
my favorite day is the Saturday.
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 Okay, so Saturday. How about Ben Ann?
I wish that week is Saturday because
Saturday.
my I come back home and meet my children.
Okay, very good. All right. So our favorite is Saturday and Sunday because we don't have work. All right. So Saturday and Sunday, that is weekends. Okay. Again, Saturday and Sunday is weekends. All right.
Weekend.
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 Weekend. Okay.
Weekend.
So weekend is 2 days. Okay. Can you read? It's 2 days.
Is
It's
Saturday.
2 days. It's
Okay.
2 days.
2 days.
2 days.
Saturday, Sunday. Saturday,
Saturday and Monday.
Okay.
Day.
Saturday and Sunday. Next. It's Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday, Sunday is weekend. Okay?
Weekend.
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 All right. So weekend.
Weekend.
Weekend. Okay.
Weekend.
So
Weekend.
weekend. Now,
Weekend.
Weekend.
Now, on weekend, okay, weekend plans. Okay, can you say weekend plans?
Weekend plan.
Weekend plans.
Okay, plans. Can you see the lesson? Can you see
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
lesson? Okay,
can
very
see.
good.
Weekend.
Weekend plans.
No.
So weekend plans, on Sunday we go to church. On Saturday, maybe you rest or you read. Okay? Now, what is your weekend plans? Ke hoch poi tuan kwa ban la j. Okay, I don't know if this is correct. Okay, weekend plans. Should I stay? Should I go? Okay. Can we read this one? Can we read this one? Should I stay?
Should I stay? Should I stay?
I stay. Là cái gì cô này Thủy? Should I stay?
Should I go?
Should
I go?
I go? Hình như là
Okay.
cái should I stay là kiểu đang nên ở đâu, còn should I go là nên đi đâu ấy. Thì cháu không nhầm.
Okay. Stay or go. All right. So stay or go. Now, stay or go.
Stay or go.
So, Stay in,
Stay in,
Stay in.
go out.
go out.
Okay. Stay
Stay
in,
in.
Ở lại.
Go
Yes,
out.
yes.
go
Stay
out.
in, go
Go
out.
out là đi ra ngoài.
Alright.
Đi ra.
Okay.
Đi ra ngoài.
So, stay in,
Stay in.
listening to music. Okay. Stay in, listening to music.
Stay in, listening to music.
Or writing.
Or writing.
Writing.
Writing. Or writing.
What's
or
this
read
one?
book. Read book.
Okay, read book. This one?
Sleeping.
Okay, sleeping. Or
Tele,
Kim, this is your favorite, Kim.
watching television.
Watching television. So, activities, stay in. Activities during stay in. Saturday and Sunday. All right? Now,
Saturday and Sunday.
very good. Now, what are the activities for going out or go out? Okay, go out. Activities. Here
Go-
are the different activities if we go out. What's this one? Can you tell me what is that picture?
Clamping.
Yes, very good. It's camping.
Camping.
Cắm trại.
Camping.
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 Okay. Next.
The driver.
Riding bicycle.
Okay, very good. Riding bicycle. Can you say it? Riding bicycle.
Riding bicycle.
Very good. Next. Popcorn. What's that? Popcorn. Where do you go if you get popcorn?
Watching movie
phim
in
ở rạp à?
cinema. Yes, watching
Okay, yeah.
movie in cinema.
All right. Watching movie. Okay, can you say it again? Watching movie.
Watching movies.
Very
Watching
good.
movies.
This one. What this?
Playing
Soccer.
football. Playing football,
Okay.
playing soccer.
Soccer.
All right. Playing soccer. Okay,
Soccer.
playing soccer.
Playing soccer.
How about this one?
Go shopping.
Shopping.
Okay, shopping. All right. I love
Shopping.
shopping. Okay, who among you here who loves shopping?
Mm,
Do you love shopping?
uh,
Not much. I love shopping when it's sale 20% to 50%.
Okay, if it's sale, okay? So, class, these are activities when we go out, okay? When we go out. Okay, let's try again.
When
we go out.
Okay, let's try identify together, okay? All of us together. This one is
Camping.
very good. Camping.
Camping.
This one,
Riding bicycle.
riding bicycle. This one,
Watching movies.
very good.
Watching movies.
This one,
Playing soccer.
playing soccer. This one,
Shopping.
shopping. Okay, shopping. All right. Can you read? I'm going to stay in.
Going to stay in.
I'm
Uh,
I'm
I'm
going
going to stay in.
I'm
And-
going to stay in and listen to music.
very
And
good.
listen to music.
I'm going to stay in and do homework.
Do homework.
Sleep.
Okay, sleep.
Sleep. Sleep. Read a
Read
book.
a book.
All right, well done. Okay, next,
Watch a film. Film.
watch a film.
Watch a
Film.
film. Watch a
Okay.
film.
I'm going to go out and
I'm going to go out and
I'm
I'm
going to
going
go
to go
out
out and
and hike.
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 ride a bike.
Ride a
Ride,
bike.
ride a bike.
Ride a bike.
Ride a
Ride
bike.
a bike.
Watch
Watch
a
a
film.
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 Watch a film.
Film.
Play
Play football.
Play
Okay.
football.
Stop.
Shop. Shop.
All right. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Are you ready for the quiz? Ready? Are you ready, class? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Ready. Okay. Can you read the sentence? Okay. Teacher will read first. What are you going to do this weekend?
What
What are
are
you
you going to do this weekend?
Okay. Now, what is that?
I'm
What
going
is
to
that?
stay in and watch a film.
Okay. Stay in and watch
Watch TV. Yeah, yeah.
TV. Yeah.
I'm
All
going to
right.
stay in and watch TV.
Next.
Watch the film.
I'm going
Ride a
go
bike.
out and
I'm going to go out and riding a bicycle and ride a bike.
Ride a bike.
Ride a
Okay.
bike.
Go out and ride
Ride
a
a
Ride a bike.
Okay, well done. Next question.
I'm going to go out and
Go out and
swimming.
swim.
I'm
Swim.
going to go out and swim.
Swim.
Okay, swim. Go out and swim. Very good, everyone. Well done. Okay, next question.
I'm going to go out
Plan.
and
Plan.
I'm going to go out and camp
picnic.
and camp.
Camp. Okay, what is the correct answer? I'm going to go out and
picnic.
Okay, let's reveal the answer. And
have a picnic.
okay,
Have a
can you
picnic.
read the sentence? Read the sentence.
I'm going to go out and have a picnic.
Okay,
I'm going
Mary.
to go out and have a picnic.
Okay, Bin-An. Can you read the sentence?
I'm going to go out and have a picnic.
Okay, very good. Next.
Stay in.
I'm going
to stay in and
I'm going to stay in and play chess.
play with
Play board
with
game.
shield.
How about Bin-An?
Play with child.
I'm going
Okay.
to stay in and play board game.
Okay, ready? Let's reveal the answers. Play game.
Yes.
All right. Okay, can you read the sentence, Mary, first?
I'm going to stay in and play game.
Okay, Kim.
I'm going to stay in and play game.
Okay, Ben Ann.
I'm going to study and play games.
Very good. And next.
I'm going to go out and go out and leo núi là cái gì nhỉ?
I'm going to go out and hike.
Hike. Okay, how about Ben Ann? What's your answer?
Chú Thủy ấy, tại vì chú đang dùng cái app đấy.
I'm going to go out and hike.
Hike. Okay, let's reveal the
Hike.
answer. Okay, let's read the sentence. Okay, everyone read.
I'm going to go out and hike. Hike.
Hike.
Okay, how about Marie? Can you read the sentence?
I'm going to go out and hike.
Okay, how about Ben Ann? Read.
Thủy.
I'm
Có Thủy
going
kia.
to go out and hike.
Okay, very good, everyone. Next.
Read book.
I'm going to study
I'm
and
going to go
to
stay
I'm
in
going
and
to stay in and
read
read
book.
a book.
Okay, I'm going to stay in and
read a
read
book.
read a book. Okay, very good. Well done. I'm going to stay in and read a book. Okay, you try.
Read a book.
I'm going to stay in and read a book. Okay, read the
I'm going
sentence.
to
I'm
study
going to
and
stay
read a
in
book.
and read a
And
book.
read a book.
Okay,
Book.
good. Next.
I'm
I'm going
Give
to
me-
go out.
I'm going to
Go
go
out
out
and
and drive a boat. No,
Okay,
it's
right.
too small for boat.
Mm. What is your guess?
I don't know what.
I'm going to what is that?
go out and
Go out and
Boating.
boating.
Driving a ship, boating.
Okay.
No.
How about Mari? What is your guess?
I don't know. I'm going
Okay.
to go out and I don't know.
Boating.
Boating. Okay. Go out and row
Go.
a
A
boat.
boat.
Oh,
You know the
okay.
song? Row, row, row the boat.
Row a
Na,
boat.
na, 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 na. Okay, that is row.
I'm going to go out and row a boat.
Okay.
Boat.
Mari, read. Can you please read?
Mấy từ lạ quá.
I'm going. Mari, can you please read?
Cô Bình ơi,
How about
Cô
Ben
Bình.
An?
Cô
Can
đang
you
bị
read?
mất tiếng. Oh, sorry. I'm going to go out and row a boat.
Okay, how about Ben An? Go ahead.
I'm going to go out and row a boat.
Okay, very good, class. Next.
I'm sorry. I can't hear.
I'm going to study and do homework.
Mm-hmm. Kim, what's your answer, Kim?
I'm going to stay in and do homework.
Okay, Marie?
I'm going to stay in and homework.
Okay, stay in and
Do homework.
homework. I'm going to stay in and do homework. Okay?
Yes.
Next.
I'm
I'm
going to go out and shopping.
going.
I shop. The
And
shop.
shop. Okay? Again. I'm going to go out and shop.
Shop.
Okay? So I'm going to go out and shop. All
And
right.
shop.
I'm going to go out and shop.
All right. Very good, everyone. Next, we're almost done. Okay, this one is
I'm
I'm
going.
I'm going to
going
go
to
out.
go out and watch movies.
all right. Go out and watch
Oh, watch a film.
movies. Okay,
Watch movies. Same.
movies and film are the same. Okay? So can you really read the sentence, everybody?
I'm going.
I'm going to go out and watch a film.
Film.
Okay, I'm going to go out and watch a film. All right. Next, film.
Film.
Oh, we have this one.
I'm going to go stay in and
I'm going to stay in and listen to music.
Okay. Stay in and listen to music. Very good. Okay, let's read the sentence one more.
I'm going.
to stay in and listen to music.
Okay, very good. And this one.
I'm
I'm
going.
going to stay in and sleep. Sleep.
Mm,
I'm
sleep.
going to stay in and sleep.
Okay. My favorite part is to sleep every Saturday and Sunday. Okay? I'm going to stay in and sleep. Okay, so
I'm going to stay in and sleep.
how about
Uh,
you? I will start to ask you one by one.
oh,
Okay,
okay.
what day today? Today is
Today is 20, 25 of September.
September. What is the day? Today is
Today is September the 25.
September 25. Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Now,
Thursday.
tomorrow is
Friday.
Friday.
Friday. Now, what is weekend? Weekend.
Saturday and Sunday.
Very good. Weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Okay? Now, I will ask Mary first. Mary, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to go go out and talk talk with children about God.
Okay, so you are going to go out and talk with children about God. Very good.
Yes.
Okay, all right. You're going to church, correct? You're going to church, Mary.
Can you speak again?
Okay, you're going to church this Sunday.
Ý là
The Sunday.
cô
Yes. Saturday.
Saturday.
And Sunday. I'm going to go out and thờ phượng Chúa là cái gì nhỉ?
Pray.
Pray God.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Mary. Next, how about you, Kim? What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to go out and hang out with my friend and then we go to restaurant.
And then you eat.
Yes, we eat.
What is your favorite Vietnamese dish?
My favorite Vietnamese dish is uh, noodles. Pho.
Noodles.
It's pho. It's pho. It's pho.
All right. Do you know Filipino food? Do you know Filipino food?
No, I don't know. Sorry.
How about Mary? Do you know Filipino food?
Cô hỏi là cô có biết món ăn nào Philippines không?
Món giấm chua.
Oh, I see.
Tôi đã đến Philippines là gì nhỉ? Nói như nào nhỉ?
I have to go. I have
To
go
go Philippines.
Philippines. Yeah.
Hmm?
I go.
Last year.
Oh, really? Where?
Yes.
Where? Where in the
I-
Philippines?
Và tôi thấy một món đặc biệt đấy là canh giấm. Nói như nào? Canh giấm.
She have a chance to eat a special fruit named
Hmm?
Chua, rất
Giấm.
chua. Very, very chua, rất chua.
This is a
Canh rất
dish.
chua.
This is a soup. Very từ chua là gì nhỉ? Con không nhớ.
Delicious? Is it
Very
delicious?
Soup,
sure.
soup.
Very sure. Soup, very
Oh.
sure.
Oh, wow. Okay. All
Sure.
right. Okay. Thank you, girls. How about Ben Ann? What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to go out and go home.
Go home where? Where?
My hometown is Hanoi City, Mo District.
In
Danang District.
Hanoi. In
Hanoi.
Hanoi. Okay.
That-
So,
Danang District.
what is the capital of Vietnam, class? Is it Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh?
Hanoi.
Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Is it a big city? Can you describe to me what can you describe Hanoi?
Hanoi have a lot of building and have a lot of people.
Okay, it has a lot of people, it has a lot of building. What else?
And we also have a problem is traffic jam.
Same in my country. We have traffic here. What else?
Now I don't know this information, but next maybe tomorrow I search in the internet and tell you later.
Yes, okay. By the way, class, thank you for coming today to our first lesson. Okay, let's clap our first achievement. Okay. All right. So, tomorrow, are we meeting tomorrow? Yeah, I think we will meet. Do you have available time for class tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes. Tức là có sẵn sàng để
Okay.
học ngày mai à?
Đúng rồi.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, what time? What time are you available?
Mai là rảnh, tức là mai là có thể meeting lúc mấy giờ?
The same today.
The same time.
Yes. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m.
3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay.
Yes.
How about Ben Ann? Are you available tomorrow?
Yeah,
No
yes.
problem.
Okay, no problem. All right. By the way, class, did you learn something today? Did you learn something?
We learn to greetings
Okay,
and
greetings.
introduce myself for people.
Okay, very good. So you learn two things, right? Introduce yourself in English. You learn four greetings. Can you recall what are the four greetings?
Our
The four.
for greeting is hi, hello, or good
Mhm.
morning, good
That's no.
afternoon, good evening.
Okay, so those are the four greetings. How about stay in and stay out? What did you
Or
learn?
we learn the weekend plan is stay in and go out, stay in, have listen music, sleep, do homework, read a book, go out, or there are hike, um, row a boat,
Okay.
hang out with friends, shopping, watch movies.
Okay. So weekend, what are the days? Weekend.
Our weekend are Saturday
Sunday.
and Sunday.
Okay, Saturday and Sunday. How how about weekdays?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Friday.
Okay. So there are two. Everyone, do not forget. Okay. Weekend, weekdays. Can you say it again?
Okay.
Yes.
Weekend.
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 Mondays.
Weekdays.
Weekdays.
Weekend and weekdays. All right. Thank you everyone for coming to class.
Thank you, teacher.
By the way, wait one moment. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Wait, all right. Can we take a picture? Is it okay with you to take a picture? Let's take a picture.
Cô bảo là muốn chụp một bức ảnh ạ.
Picture.
Okay,
Okay
Picture.
không? Yes, yes. I'm
Yes.
okay.
I'm okay.
Okay, okay. All right. On my count, I'm going to count. Okay. Okay, face the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, everyone. Thank you for coming
Bravo.
to class. Bravo.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye.
See you
Mary,
tomorrow.
Bye
Ben,
bye
and
Thank you.
teacher.
Kim.
See you
See
Thank
you
you.
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
God bless you.
God bless you, Mary and Bin An. God bless you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.